what's happening here today is we're making a step solution, something that our customers have been asking for. It's going to be a project where they're going to do a lot of changing on an existing setup where 25 years ago they made the skylight, which are leaking a lot right now, so we are changing it around, putting in our new VELUX modular skylight into it. Yeah, the step solution is we are taking our top long light and we are prolonging it by making a step into it. And the reason why we are making a step into it is because they want to have a big amount of daylight underneath it and they want to minimize the size of the beam in between. We try to achieve quick installation, and how we achieve that one is putting on clamps on our modules, meaning that a big size module like this one, 1 meter by 260, only needs 4 clamping, and that makes installation time going down to literally minutes to fit a big glazing area. The modules are lifted in by cranes. It can be done with suction cups, or we have lifting straps for each module. That means you lift in the one module, put it down with the crane, and just clamp it on, and you're off.